Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your account, how you can edit your account details on the StreamYard website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website. And after going to the website, what we have to do, we have to log in we have to create our account. And after that, as you can see, has an option for the My Account. So we have to click on the My Account. Now you have to choose that what setting you want. For example, I want the profile settings. You can also do that. As you can see, has an option for the email address, and the referral is also provided here. The team setting is also provided here, but we need to go to the account settings. So let's click on the account settings. So as you can see, if you want to change your email address, you can also do that. The email, the language is also provided here. The time format is also provided here. If you want to delete your account, you can also do that. As you can see, it has an option for the delete account, so you can also delete your account as well. So as you can see, these all settings according to your profile, according to your profile, you can change them, you can delete them as per your need. If you want to more details, you can also do that. As you can see, team setting, billing setting, and the contact, health center, these all options are provided here. You can use any option which will be in the need of you. You can use that. So in this way, you can manage your profile on the StreamYard website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use this, and it is going to be a very useful for you guys. So see you guys in the next video.